Buongiorno. Hey, good morning. It's a Mr. Capalbo. Is going to do a French bread today for breakfast. As you see, we have the pan. And if you can come over here a little bit, you can see the eggs. You have to come down to see the eggs. You have a crazy cat here who's going to bite me in the butt. Go away, Grumbly. Okay, and you see, I put 3 eggs, I put a little bit of milk, and I put cinnamon. Yes, you see, we put the cinnamon in. It gives it flavor. Yes, okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take some butter. We'll say this one. This is spreadable butter. We don't need that. We need this butter right here. Yes, oh, this will make it yum yum. Okay. We're going to need a knife. Do you have a knife? No, I have a knife. My cameraman is probably sleeping or doing his exercises with his hands. I'm not sure what he's doing today. What you're going to do, though, is we're going to throw this in, and I have my wife, Mrs. Capalbo, who's sometimes a cook. I do not want to get in trouble with the real Carla Capalbo, who is the cook, famous one. So, we're going to do this. We're going to light up the flame here. Okay, we take it down to, I don't know, medium. Sounds good, eh? Medium sounds good. We're going to melt the butter in. We're going to melt it all in there. Because if you don't have melted butter, what do you got? Hard butter. Well, so, what do you all think of the videos so far? Do people like them? Are they, not so good? Or you don't know? I don't know. We'll let that melt. Okay. We come over here. Do you like the butt end? No? Okay, I don't like the butt end. We're using a sourdough from our favorite place. Again, let's see. You must have your hands washed, by the way. I washed mine already. So I'm good to go. So you take the bread like this. It's very blinding, that light, you know? And you dip it in there, and it soaks up all that egg, right? It's getting very soaky. I'm looking for my fork. It's right in front of me. What's wrong with me today? And then you flip it over. See all that? There's the little dots of cinnamon. And then you stab it, let it drain off. I'm going to bring the pan to the thing because I do not want it to spill all over the sink. And you plop it in there like that. I'm going to do 2 of them. Okay, so I'll actually put over here. It's going to be good, huh? It actually fits in the bowl. I didn't think it would, but yes, the bread fits in. So we put it in like this. We soak it again. And we're just going to show you a little bit. You like my hat? It's not a chef's hat, but hey, I could be an engineer. Woo-hoo! No, I don't know. I like the trains. Okay, you can go back to the food. I don't need to be seen no more. I'm crazy loco, you know. That's why you married me? Because I'm crazy? Mm-hmm. I knew it. Because I'm a local crazy Capalbo. Okay, and now we throw that one in there. It's going to set up a fire alarm, so I'm going to lower it a little bit. It's getting smoky. Should I open the window? Yeah, I think so. Anyhow, so we put that in there. We get it all nice and hot, and it's getting nice and steamy. And then we're going to flip this one over. There you go. See that? That looks good, huh? Mm-hmm. It smells good, too. Okay. We need, I need a plate. If I slide you to this side, watch your step there. Okay. So you get a plate, and the very precious thing that we really need right nowadays is paper towels. Let me tell you, these are very precious, like gold. I can only use one. It's starting to burn. That's good. The fire alarm may go off. If it does, don't be alarmed because it's just me cooking or making a mess. No, not ready yet. So we grab the spatula. Wait out the smoke. It's done. That one's done. And I will show that to you up close so you can see it. Okay, let me first cut off the butter here. I want to show you the backside. Look at that, perfecto. Okay, I'm going to cook the rest for us to eat, but you have seen it, and I hope you have a great day. I know you're trapped in your homes, but make the best of it. Make food. Arrivederci and ciao.